What if you could eat one simple food that makes your body start burning fat instantly? No gym memberships, no crazy diets, just a single ingredient that flips your body's internal fat burning switch. It's science-backed, used by athletes and nutritionists, and the best part, it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. This food doesn't just help you lose weight, it changes how your metabolism works from the inside out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how it works, and how to use it for real, lasting fat loss. 1. The truth about your body's fat-burning system. Your body is an energy machine. It can run on two fuels, sugar or fat. Most people in the US run on sugar because of constant snacking, soda, and carb-heavy meals. When you're always eating carbs, your body never gets the signal to burn fat. It just keeps storing it. To lose fat, you don't need to eat less. You need to teach your body to switch from sugar burning to fat burning. That switch depends on insulin levels, metabolism timing, and the kind of food you eat. And one specific food can help you flip that switch fast. This isn't about cutting calories or skipping meals. It's about eating smart. Once you learn how to activate your body's natural fat burning mode, the weight starts coming off without torture or endless cardio. 2. The food that triggers fat burning instantly. Eggs. Yes, eggs. The simple, everyday food that most people overlook. They're not just breakfast. They're a natural fat-burning powerhouse. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like choline, which helps your liver process fat. When you eat eggs, your body releases glucagon, a hormone that signals fat to be burned for energy. This means your metabolism kicks into high gear without you even moving. Studies show people who eat eggs for breakfast feel fuller, longer, eat fewer calories throughout the day, and lose more body fat, especially around the belly. In fact, a study from Louisiana State University found that people who started their morning with eggs lost 65% more weight than those who ate bagels. So yes, that little egg in your fridge might just be your body's most powerful fat-burning tool. 3. How it works. The science behind the switch. Here's what happens when you eat an egg-based meal. The protein in eggs requires more energy to digest. Your body literally burns calories breaking it down. That's called the thermic effect of food. Next, eggs are rich in leucine, an amino acid that helps your body maintain muscle mass. And more muscle means a faster metabolism, even at rest. But the real magic is in how eggs stabilize your blood sugar. Unlike cereal, toast, or pancakes, eggs don't spike insulin. And when insulin stays low, your body finally has permission to use stored fat for fuel. That's the fat-burning switch you keep hearing about.
So instead of starting your day with sugar and crashing by noon, you're feeding your body what it actually needs to stay in burn mode all day long. 4. The morning trick. How to use eggs for maximum fat loss. You can't just eat eggs whenever you want and expect magic. Timing matters. The best time to eat them is first thing in the morning, within an hour of waking up. This sets your metabolism for the rest of the day. Here's how to do it right. Eat 2 to 3 whole eggs cooked in a small amount of olive oil or grass-fed butter. Skip the toast, juice, or sugary coffee. Those kill your fat-burning switch immediately. Add a side of spinach or avocado for extra fiber and healthy fats. This combination keeps you full for hours, balances hormones, and keeps your body in fat-burning mode all morning. If you're used to eating bagels or cereal, this one swap can completely change how your body handles fat. People in fitness circles call it the egg advantage, and it's the simplest fat-burning hack out there. 5. Why most diets fail, and this one works. The reason most diets fail in America isn't because people don't try, it's because they fight their biology. When you eat low-fat, high-carb foods, your body thinks it's starving. It slows down your metabolism and clings to fat. Eggs, on the other hand, Tell your body it's safe to burn fat because it's getting real nutrients, protein, fats, and vitamins that signal balance, not panic. This is why people on low-carb or keto diets often use eggs as a staple. They keep insulin down and fat metabolism high. You don't have to go fully keto though. Just replacing your carb-heavy breakfast with eggs already sets you apart from 90% of the population still trapped in sugar mode. Once you start burning fat as fuel, your energy feels different. It's cleaner, steadier, and your cravings for junk food begin to fade. That's when you know the switch is on. 6. The hidden benefits nobody talks about. Eggs don't just help with weight loss. They improve brain function, boost mood, and protect your heart. Choline, found in the yolk, helps build neurotransmitters that improve focus and memory. Omega-3 enriched eggs can lower inflammation, a big factor in slow metabolism and belly fat. And despite old myths, eggs don't raise bad cholesterol for most people. In fact, they increase your good HDL cholesterol and improve the size of LDL particles, which actually protects your heart. Many people in the US still fear eggs because of outdated 1990s diet advice. But modern research from Harvard and the American Heart Association has cleared them. They're one of the healthiest foods you can eat. So, if you've been avoiding egg yolks thinking they make you fat, guess what? You've been avoiding the most powerful part. 7. The common mistake that blocks fat burning. There's one mistake that ruins this entire process: pairing eggs with carbs. Think about the typical American breakfast: eggs and toast, or eggs and hash browns. That combination spikes insulin and immediately shuts off fat burning. Your body goes back into sugar mode. If you want the full fat burning effect, eat eggs with healthy fats or veggies, not carbs. Try scrambled eggs with avocado and spinach, or a simple egg omelet with mushrooms and cheese. These keep your metabolism running high while keeping insulin low. It might take a few days to adjust, but once your body gets used to running on fat, you'll feel it. More energy, clearer focus, and that light feeling after eating. 8. Real-life fat-burning results. You don't have to take my word for it. Let's look at what's happening across the US. Many fitness trainers now start clients with the Egg First plan. 1 week of replacing breakfast with eggs and greens. People report losing up to 5 pounds of water weight and fat in just a few days without changing anything else. Even athletes use it to boost performance because stable energy means better endurance. Nutrition experts say eggs keep your metabolism active for up to 36 hours because they take longer to digest and keep you full. So yes, this small change can genuinely shift how your body stores and burns energy. 9. Myth busting. Aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? This myth refuses to die, so let's settle it once and for all. For decades, people believed eggs raised cholesterol and caused heart disease. But multiple large studies, including one from the University of Connecticut, proved otherwise. For most people, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not increase blood cholesterol. Your liver naturally produces cholesterol, and when you eat more, your liver makes less to balance it out. Eggs even improve your overall cholesterol profile by raising HDL, the good kind. So, if you've been throwing out the yolk, stop. That's where most of the nutrients live. It's not the enemy, it's the engine that drives your fat-burning process. 10. How to build your own fat-burning breakfast routine. If you want to try this yourself, here's a simple 3-step plan. Step 1. Start every morning with 2 to 3 eggs cooked in olive oil or butter. Step 2. Add low-carb sides like spinach, mushrooms, or avocado. Step 3. Skip the bread, juice, or milk. Drink black coffee or green tea instead. Stick with this for just 7 days and watch your energy and appetite transform. You'll feel less hungry, more focused, and lighter without trying. By the second week, your body starts using fat for energy automatically. That's when you'll notice fat melting off areas that never seemed to shrink before, like your belly and thighs. So yes, the one food that switches on fat burning instantly is sitting right in your fridge. The humble egg. It's not hype, it's biology. Feed your body what it understands, and it'll do the work for you. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's been struggling with weight loss. Drop a comment below if you're trying the Egg First plan, and hit subscribe for more simple,
Science-backed health hacks that actually work. Your fat burning journey doesn't start at the gym. It starts in your kitchen.